Welcome to Pivot Online, your go-to source for innovative student solutions. In today's video, we're about to unveil something truly exciting. Revealed 6 unexpected side hustles for students to launch in 2023. Whether you're looking to bolster your finances, gain real-world experience, or simply explore your passions, these unique side hustles are the gateway to success. Stay tuned as we walk you through these game-changing opportunities. Writer. Becoming a freelance writer can be an excellent side hustle for students in 2023. With a knack for words, you can craft engaging content and get paid for it. Opportunities in this field are vast, ranging from blog writing to copywriting and even technical documentation. One option is content creation for websites and blogs, where you can share your expertise on topics you're passionate about. Many online platforms, like Medium or WordPress, allow you to monetize your content through ads and subscriptions. Moreover, you can also explore freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr, where you can find clients seeking writers for various projects, from product descriptions to marketing materials. Additionally, consider diving into the world of copywriting, which involves crafting persuasive and compelling text for advertisements and marketing campaigns. Companies are always in need of skilled copywriters to create attention-grabbing content that drives sales and conversions. If you're technically inclined, you could explore technical writing. This niche involves creating user manuals, product guides, and documentation for software or hardware products. It's a specialized field that often pays well due to its technical nature. In summary, being a writer can be a rewarding side hustle, enabling you to use your writing skills to earn money while gaining valuable experience and building a portfolio. Explore different avenues, find your niche, and watch your passion for writing transform into a profitable venture. Content Curator. Another intriguing side hustle for students is content curation. Content curation involves the discovery, collection, and sharing of valuable and relevant content with a specific audience. It's a different approach from content creation, which involves generating original content from scratch. As a content curator, you can explore platforms like social media, blogs, and newsletters to find and assemble interesting articles, images, videos, and other forms of content that resonate with your target audience. Your role is to filter out the noise and present the best of what's already available, saving your audience time and providing them with valuable insights. For example, if you're passionate about fashion, you could curate a weekly newsletter featuring the latest fashion trends, style tips, and notable articles from fashion blogs and magazines. By consistently sharing high-quality content, you can build a loyal following and even monetize your curation efforts through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Now let's differentiate between content creation and content curation. While content creators generate original content curators focus on aggregating and sharing existing content. Content creators are responsible for ideation, research, and production, whereas content curators primarily curate, organize, and share content from various sources. Content creation requires creativity and the ability to generate fresh and unique content, while content curation requires excellent research and selection skills. Both roles can be financially rewarding, but they cater to different strengths and interests. Ultimately, whether you're a content creator or a content curator, the key is to provide value to your audience by delivering high-quality, relevant content. Thumbnail designer. In the digital age, visual appeal is everything, and that's where the role of a thumbnail designer shines. If you have a creative eye and love working with images, becoming a thumbnail designer can be an ideal side hustle for students. Thumbnails are the small, clickable images that accompany online videos, articles, or social media posts, and they play a crucial role in attracting viewers and readers. For example, content creators on platforms like YouTube rely heavily on captivating thumbnails to entice potential viewers to click on their videos. A well-designed thumbnail can make the difference between a video that goes viral and one that remains unseen. As a thumbnail designer, you can create eye-catching visuals that help content creators stand out in the crowded digital landscape. Moreover, websites and blogs also use thumbnails to make their articles more shareable on social media platforms. Businesses require appealing thumbnails for their advertisements, and even podcasters may need custom artwork for their episodes. To get started, you'll need graphic design skills and software like Adobe Photoshop or Canva. You can offer your services on freelancing platforms, social media, or directly to content creators. As you build a portfolio of your thumbnail designs and establish a reputation for creating attention-grabbing visuals, you can command higher fees for your work. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Research Assistant. For students seeking a side hustle that allows them to expand their knowledge and critical thinking skills, becoming a research assistant is an excellent option. This role involves conducting in-depth research on various topics, gathering information, analyzing data, and summarizing findings. It's a versatile gig with applications in numerous fields. One example of being a research assistant is helping academics and professors with their research projects. You may be tasked with literature reviews, data collection, or even statistical analysis. This not only pays, but also provides valuable insights into your chosen field of study. Moreover, businesses and startups often require research support. You might be asked to gather market data, customer feedback, or industry trends. This data is invaluable for strategic decision-making. Additionally, think tanks and non-profit organizations may need research assistants to help with policy analysis, social research, or data visualization. It's a chance to contribute to important causes and gain a sense of purpose. To excel in this role, you need strong research skills, the ability to work independently, and effective communication. You can find research assistant opportunities through academic bulletin boards, online job boards, or even by reaching out directly to professors, researchers, or organizations in your area of interest. Remote sales representative. If you have strong communication skills and a persuasive demeanor, considering a side hustle as a remote sales representative might be a lucrative option for you. This role involves selling products or services on behalf of companies, all while working from the comfort of your own home. One common avenue for remote sales is affiliate marketing. You can partner with businesses to promote their products through various online channels, earning a commission for each sale generated through your efforts. For instance, you might join an affiliate program for a popular e-commerce platform and promote specific products through your blog, social media, or email marketing. Another option is working as a virtual sales representative for companies that offer remote sales opportunities. These companies often provide you with the necessary tools and training to successfully sell their products or services. It could range from selling software solutions to home fitness equipment. To excel as a remote sales representative, you'll need to be proactive, customer-focused, and well-versed in the products or services you're promoting. The flexibility to work from home and set your own hours makes this an attractive side hustle for students looking to boost their income. Web designer. In the digital age, web design is in high demand, making it an excellent side hustle for students. As a web designer, you'll create visually appealing and user-friendly websites for individuals, small businesses, or organizations. Your creative skills and technical know-how can be put to good use, and the potential for earning is significant. For instance, you can offer your web design services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Many businesses, from local cafes to online startups, seek professional websites to establish an online presence and attract customers. Your role involves creating layouts, choosing color schemes, and integrating user-friendly features. Alternatively, you might explore website theme customization. Many content management systems like WordPress provide opportunities to customize website themes. You can purchase premium themes, modify them, and sell them to individuals or businesses looking for unique and professional website designs. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.